Srinivas K. Can you talk with me, Srinivas K? Srinivas K.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are from Java, na, Srinivas?
Yes, I am from Java.
Okay. Renuka, do you want to continue with this one? Renuka, if you wanted to continue with this batch, Renuka, please complete your enrollment now because already
Yes.
complete, already over. Just go for the one HTML file and CSS3 and please watch the video files also. Fine. And coming to your Angular within 2 to 3 days, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will start your Angular.
When will be that class, sir? Angular.
Angular na. Which Angular you were talking about the new batch na? You were talking about the new batch na or what?
I'm talking about the Java full stack, 10 to 11 one class is
You are
11.
talking like separate Angular batch na, separate Angular batch won't be there. I think that is a separate registration. Sir. Evening
Okay.
6 o'clock we have the one more new batch. Please go for that batch. That batch fee is the 6,000.
Okay.
Example is the. Now we need to go for one simple example here. The simple example is the, like location API. Can you go for the location API?
Yes, sir.
Location API. Very simple here. I think no need to put the focus to understand that one can. Please go to the location API. Simply, we need to go for location API. So guys, see this one can. I will show some code to you. I will show some code to you. By seeing that code easily, you can understand that one can. Let me show some code to you. By seeing that code easily, you can understand that one can. Fine. Guys, see this one can. Guys, what is navigator? Navigator is the predefined object. Guys, so what is a window?
Window is the predefined object.
Say this one here. Say this one here. What is window? Window is the predefined object. Fine. Guys, what is the navigator? Navigator also predefined object. Yes, Rujesh, explain once again here. What is window? Rujesh, what is window? Window is the predefined object. And one more point. What is a document? What is the document? Document also. Say this one here. Document also. What is the document again? Yeah, what is the document here? Document is the predefined object here. Yes or not? Say this one here. And one more point. What is navigator? What is the navigator? Navigator also. Navigator also predefined object here. Navigator also. What is the navigator here? Navigator also predefined object here. See this one here. If this condition satisfies, what happen here? Whatever the condition is there, if this condition satisfies, your browser supporting the geolocation. If this condition satisfies, this browser supporting the geolocation. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Guys, that person drop na? that person drop na? He's from, he's from where? That person drop na? Next one, guys, see this one here. Guys,
but he told, sir, from the batch, sir, from Ashoka IT.
Wait here, he's a worst people here because he joined from the some other institute here because I worked with a famous organization because I had some famous I worked with a famous organization.
Yes.
So they have the fear on me. Guys, it's not joke, guys. We started Ashoka IT recently, guys. With this, because we got the strength because of our name itself. Otherwise, we can't get the strength, guys. It's not joke, guys. Around 25 to 30 members, they're joining the class. It's not the joke. It's not the joke here. Because of our name only, because of our content one, the people are joining. So
Yes,
that
sir.
people have a little bit fear. For every class, he will join. He will note down the count. He will go to the management itself. Fine. Say this one. Guys, say
Okay,
this one. If this condition satisfies, what happen here? If this condition satisfies, your browser supporting the
geolocation API.
Google Maps. Else condition. Yes, what is the else condition here? The else condition is the your browser not supporting the
geolocation API.
Google Maps. Your browser not supporting the Google Maps again. Fancy this one, guys. How to get your location, latitude and longitude. Guys, Google Maps in the sense, the latitude and longitude now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. How to get latitude and longitude here? If you want to get latitude and longitude, see this one here. We have one function here. Which function we have? We have one function here. Which function we have here? Get current position here. We have one function. The function is the get current position. Guys, see this one here. Your latitude and longitude stored into which user defined variable?
Position.
Store it into which user defined variable? Position
Position.
variable here.
Yes, sir.
Store it into one user defined variable. The user defined variable is the position variable here. Yes sir, not say this one here. How to get the latitude here? How to get the latitude here? Position dot coordinates dot latitude.
Coordinates.
How to
Yes,
get
sir.
the longitude here? Position dot coordinates dot longitude
Longitude. Yes,
here.
sir.
So automatically we can get the latitude. Next one is the what? Latitude.
Longitude.
Next one is the longitude here. What are the latitude and the longitude is there? We're able to get it here. Fine. Guys, explain once again here. You people need to explain once again here. Guys,
Yes.
if this condition satisfies, if this
Yes, sir.
condition satisfies, what do you call? If this
Browser
condition satisfies,
supports
what do you
the
call
Google
here?
Map.
Say this one here. Browser supports the
Google Map.
browser supports the Google Maps here. If browser supporting Google Maps,
Yes,
how
sir.
to get our current location with the help of which function?
Get current position.
Get current position here. So guys, our position, whatever the position is there, our position stored into where? Our position stored into where? Position variable. Position variable here. Whatever the position is there, our position stored into position variable. So how to get the latitude here? Position dot coordinate dot latitude. Position dot coordinate dot next one is the longitude here. Fine guys, say this one here. If any error raised, if any error raised can, that error will be stored into where? That error will be stored into where? Error variable. Guys, understand the syntax as guys. Code we will write it. Never worry about the code here. We will write the code here. Rojesh say this one here. If any error raised, that error stored into where? That error stored into where? Error variable here. Error variable here. Now say this one here. Kameshwara say this one here. For example, case error dot permission denied. Case error dot permission. So many cases are there now.
Yes,
so
sir.
many predefined cases are there. So many switch cases are there. Next one, error dot position unavailable. Error dot position unavailable. Next one, error dot what you want to place? Timeout. Next one, error dot what is the another thing here? Unknown error here. Error dot unknown error here. Fine. Guys, let me place the some predefined things here. We need to place the predefined things here. What is the first case? What is the first case? First case permission is the denied. 1 second guys. First case is the what is the first case again? The first case is the observe this one again. Can I tell the first case again? First case is the permission denied. Permission denied. So guys, what is the second case again? Position unavailable. Second one is the position unavailable. Next one guys, what is the third one? What is the third one? The third one is the error out timeout now. The third one is the what is the third one again? The third one is the timeout again. Here itself we have the third one here. The third one is the what is the third one here? The third one is
sir,
the
this all are the predefined errors, na sir?
Predefined API. This is the API. This is the API here. We can't remember that API. Next one. What is the fourth one? Fourth one is the unknown error. We have the one more thing here. The one more thing is the unknown error here. Guys, identify the important functions also. We need to identify the important functions also. So guys, what is the first function? What is the first function? Get current position.
Current position.
Here we have the first position. Here we have the first function. Here the first function is the which function? Here get current position. Shankar, get current position taking how many arguments? 2 arguments. Shankar, get current position taking how many arguments here? 2 arguments. Argument 1 comma, next one is the argument 2. Next one. Shankar, what is the predefined object? Do you know the predefined object here? What is the predefined object? Navigator object. Navigator object. See this one again. Here itself we have the predefined object again. The predefined object is the navigator object. What is the next object we have? What is the next object we have? Geolocation. Now here itself we have the one more object here. Which object we have here? Geolocation. So these are the predefined objects. Renika, explain once again here. Renika, what is the first one? Renika, what is the first one? Permission denied now.
Yes, sir.
Renika, what is the first one? Permission denied. Rojesh, one more thing here. One more thing is the position. Rojesh, one more thing is the position unavailable. And one more thing is the position unavailable here. What is the next one here? Timeout. What is the next one? Timeout here. What is the next one here? What is the next one here?
Unknown error.
The next one is the here itself we have the one more thing here, and here itself we have the one more thing here. What is the another thing we have here? What is the another thing?
Unknown error.
Unknown error here. Unknown error here. Next one. Guys, one more thing here. What is the predefined object? What is the
Navigator
predefined object? Navigator object.
and
Guys, what is
geolocation.
the next object? What is the next object?
Geolocation.
Geolocation. Here itself, we have the one more object again. The object is the which object we have? Geolocation object again. Okay, na? Guys, based on that API, guys, we can't remember that API, guys, because I need to dependent with the Google to get that API. Fine. Next one. Say this one. Shankar, can you open the Visual Studio Code?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Let me open the Visual Studio Code. Fine. Say this one here. File, open folder. File, open folder. What is our folder? File, open folder. What is our folder? UI 10am folder. We need to go for the UI 10am folder. Whatever the UI 10am folder is there, that UI 10am folder we need to open here. Fine. After opening UI 10am folder, can I create a separate folder?
Yes, sir.
Can I create a separate folder? Which folder we need to create? Which folder we need to create? Location API. We should be in a position. We need to create one folder. We need to create one folder. The folder is the location API. Next one, guys. Here itself. Can I create one HTML?
Yes, sir.
Can I create one HTML? Say this one again. We should be in a position. We need to create one HTML. Which HTML we need to create? Index.html file. We should be in a position. We should be in a position. We need to create one HTML. Which HTML we need to create? Index.html file. So under the index.html file, guys, can I take one article tag? Responder.
Yes,
Can I
sir.
take one article tag? Why not? We should be in a position. We need to take the which tag we need to take, article tag we need to
Article
take.
tag.
So guys,
Article tag.
after taking the article tag, can I go
ID.
for the ID itself? Can
Yeah,
I go for the ID
different
itself
ID.
again? ID equal to ID equal to, say this one again. ID equal to, we should be in
My
a
location.
position. We need
My
to place the
location.
my location. ID equal to, we should be in a position. We need to place the my location. We need to
Okay.
place.
Yes, sir.
Guys,
Yes.
next one. Say this one again, and here itself. Here itself,
Tag.
can I take the here itself? Can I take one button? Here itself, can I take one button? Talk with me.
Yeah.
Let me
Yes,
take the
sir.
button. Button.
sir.
See this one again. Button. What you wanted to place here? Button. We should be in a position. We need to place the click make here. So guys, can I go for the on click event?
Yes.
Mm.
Can I go for the on click event here? On click equal to what you wanted to place here? On
Show
click equal to
location.
this one here. Show location. On click equal to simply we need to place the show location. Can Nitish explain once again. Can Nitish, instead of division, Nitish, can I take the division or can I take the article?
Article.
Yes,
Can I take
article.
the article here? Let me take the article here. We should be in a position. We need to take the article here. Shankar, how to give the ID? How to give the ID?
ID is equal
ID equal
my
to
location.
My
to
location.
place
My
ID equal
location.
to my location. Next one, guys. Can I take the two lines break here? Let
Yes,
me
sir.
take the two lines break. Guys, can I take one button here? Can I
Yes.
take one button
Button
here?
tag.
Button. Say this one here.
On click.
On click equal to button. On click equal to say this one here. Which
Click.
function we need to place?
Click me.
Button.
me.
On click
No,
equal
no.
to click me. So
Show
guys,
location.
whenever you click this button, which function will be executed?
Click me.
Which of click me function will be executed here. Guys, see this one here, and here itself, can I go for the
Okay.
here itself? Can I go for the show location?
Yes.
Yes, simply we need to go for the show location here. Next one, guys, see this one can here itself. Can I take the here itself? Can I take the script tag
tag.
here?
Yes.
Can I take the script tag here? Yes, sir. Shankar, which function we need to define?
Document.
Woman
Which
dot
function
get
we
out.
need to define? Say this one here. We should be in a position. We need to define one
Constant.
function. Which function we need to define here?
Click me.
Function.
Click me.
Function. Which function?
Call me.
Which
Call
function?
me.
Function. Which function? Click me
Call
function.
me.
So whenever you click this button, here, automatically click me function will be executed. So
Yes, sir.
whenever you click that button, automatically one function will be executed. Which function executed? Click me function will be
Yes, sir.
function will be executed here. Fine. Next one. Guys, see this one here. One more point here. Guys, can I place one console message here?
Yes.
Yes,
Can I
sir.
place one console
Console
message here?
dot
Yes, sir.
log.
Console dot log off.
Clicked.
Console dot log off. What you
Click.
wanted to place here?
Click
Click
me.
me. So guys, can I execute this code?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please click the word go live.
Go live.
Go live.
Go live. Yes, sir. Renika,
And
see this
click
one
show
here.
location.
So
Renika, see this one here. Renika, can I go to the console?
yes.
sir.
Renika, can I click the button? Show location. Yes,
Show
sir.
location.
Which
Click
function
me.
executed?
Click
Which
me.
function
function.
executed? Click me function executed.
Click
Guys,
me function executed.
first of all, check
Hmm.
whether your browser supporting Google Maps or not?
Yes, sir.
Guys, first of all check whether your browser supporting Google Maps or not. How to
Yes, sir.
check it? If
Window
navigator
dot
geolocation.
navigator.geolocation. Guys, verify here. Guys, what is a navigator?
Navigator
Predefined
predefined
object.
object.
Defined
Predefined
object. Guys,
which
what is a
contains
geolocation?
Also the predefined object.
Defined.
Guys, geolocation also predefined object. Listen, guys. What is a navigator? Navigator is the
navigator is a
predefined object.
predefined
Guys,
object, and
this
it
is the
contains many predefined
parent
objects
object. Guys, this is the parent
related
object.
to
This parent object contain which child object? Geolocation.
Geolocation.
Geolocation care. It contain the one more child object also. The child object is the geolocation also. When Rupan explain once again here how to check here. Can you tell me here how to check it here? Whether a browser supporting Google Maps or not? How to check it here?
if
If
navigator dot
navigator dot if navigator dot geolocation here. If a navigator dot geolocation. So if this condition satisfies, then we can say. If this condition
navigator
satisfies,
dot
then we can say. So browser supporting
supports
Google Maps. Guys, else condition. What is the else condition here? Else
Browser
condition
not
is the
supported.
series one here. Else condition is the documented on get element by ID. Documented on get
My
element by
location.
ID. What you want to
My
pass?
location.
My location. My location dot inner HTML equal to inner HTML equal to series one here. Here itself we need to place the bold tag here. Here itself we need to place the bold tag here. Series one here. Browser not supporting Google Maps. Browser not supporting what coming to the browser not supporting Google Maps here. What are the browser is there? The browser not supporting Google Maps here. Okay na? Fine. Now see this one here, guys. One more point is the guys how to get current position. I wanted to get a current position. How can I get the current position?
Using
Navigator dot wait here. Navigator dot geolocation dot Shankar, what is a navigator? Predefined object.
Predefined object.
Yeah, what is the geolocation?
It
Predefined
is
object.
also predefined object.
Shankar, these objects are provided by whom? Vendor itself. Here. Ready-made objects. Fine. In the geolocation, we have one function. Which function? Get current position. Fine. Explain once again, Kazal. Explain once again, Kazal. What is a navigator? What is a navigator? Navigator is the what is the navigator here? Navigator is the predefined object. Whatever the navigator is there, navigator is the predefined object here. Next one, see this one here. Navigator is the predefined object here. Next one, what you wanted to place here? What you wanted to place here? We need to place the geolocation here. Simply, we need to place the what you wanted to place here. Simply, we need to place the geolocation here. Simply, we need to place the geolocation here. Next one, see this one here. Simply, we need to go for the geolocation. Guys, see this one here. How to get the current position? How to get the current position? Get current position. Guys, get current position taking the two arguments. How many arguments it is taking care? Two arguments it is taking care. Series one care. This is the series one care. It is taken the two arguments care. So what is the first argument here? The first argument is the success function. What is the first argument again? The first argument is the success function. Guys, what is the second function? The second function is the error function. What is the second argument again? The second argument is the error function. Yeah, Shankar series one here. Get current position taking how many functions? Two functions. Two functions. Shankar, what is the first function? First function is the what is the first function? Success function. What is the second function? What is the second function? The second function is the error function. Fun series one here. If we are able to get the position successfully, if we are able to get the position successfully, that position will be stored into one user defined variable. What is that variable here? Position variable. If we are able to get the position successfully, that position stored into where? Position variable. Fine. Guys, see this one here. If we are unable to get the position successfully, that error will be stored into where? That error will be stored into error variable here. Fine. Guys, explain once again, Saurav. Explain once again,
Yes.
Ken. Saurav, can you please explain once again
Yes,
how
sir.
to get the current position?
Navigator
Navigator
dot
navigator dot
geolocation.
geolocation dot Shankar respond.
Yes, sir.
Geolocation
Get
dot
current
Get current position.
Navigate.
will
Yeah, see this
take
one, Ken.
two
Yeah, get current position taking how many arguments?
Two
Two
arguments.
arguments.
Two
What is the
arguments.
first argument?
function success.
Function one. Function one. Next one. See this one here. Function
Function two.
function two.
Function two.
Any name here, any name. Any
Yes.
name we can place
Yes,
any
sir.
name, not an issue.
Yes, sir.
If we are able to get the position successfully, if we are able to get the position successfully, that position store it into which object?
Position
That
object.
position
Position
store
object.
it into which object? Position object.
Position
Fun guys,
object.
say this fun can. If we are unable to get the position successfully, what happen here? Error will be
Error.
stored here, na? Error will be
Yes,
stored
sir.
here. Fun.
Switch case.
Shankar, position is success object, na?
Yes.
Yes,
Shankar,
sir.
that a position internally contain one more object. That a position internally contain one more
One more
predefined object here. That object we can call
Chords.
chords object. Chords. Fun. So through that one, we need to get what? We need to get the
Latitude.
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 We need to get the latitude here. Next one is the how to get the longitude here.
Position
Position
dot
dot
chords.
position
dot
dot series one
longitude.
can. Position dot
Latitude.
chords dot
Chords
what you
dot
want to
longitude.
get longitude.
Longitude.
So
Yes, sir.
automatically we can get the latitude here. Next
And
one is the
longitude position.
automatically we're able to get the longitude also. So guys, how to display the data? How to display the data? Documented on documented
Yes.
on get element by id
My
documented on
Location.
get
My
element by
location.
id what you wanted to place here, what you wanted to place here.
My
We should be in a
location.
position, we need to place the my location. Documented on get element by id, we should be in a position, we need to place the my location. Guys, see this one
Inner
here.
HTML.
Dot
Inner
what you wanted to
Inner
place
HTML.
dot inner html here. Simply
Yes, sir.
we need to place the what you wanted to place here, inner html we need to place here. Let me place the inner html here. Fine guys, after placing the inner html, guys, after placing the inner html here equal to Shankar, how to get the latitude? Shankar, how to get the latitude?
Sir,
Position
How to get
dot
the
chords
how to
dot
get the latitude
latitude.
here? Once again again,
Position.
we need to get the latitude here. How can I get the latitude here?
Position
If
dot
you wanted
dots.
to, if you wanted to get the latitude here, say this one here. Guys, I hope you are getting the confusion. Let me say this one. Position dot position dot
Chords
chords dot latitude.
latitude.
Latitude here. Latitude we need to place. Next one. Guys, say this one again. One more thing is the how to get longitude also. How to get longitude also. Say this one again. Position dot position dot chords dot what you wanted to place here. Longitude we need to place. We should be in a position, we need to place the longitude also. So guys, this is the error now.
Yes.
This is the error now, guys. This error also contain so many cases now.
Yes, sir.
So many cases now. Whatever
sir.
error is there, this error also contain so many cases. Shankar, can you help me here? Shankar, can you
Yes,
help me here? Switch,
Yes, sir.
switch, error dot, switch, error dot code. Error dot code. Shankar, what is the first case? What is the first case here? The first case is the
Permission denied.
Yes, it is one
Permission
here. The
denied.
first case is the permission denied.
denied.
The
Permission
first case
denied.
is the see this one here. The first case is the permission denied here. Permission denied here. Fine. See this one here. What is the second case we have here? What is the second case we have?
Position
See this one here.
unavailable.
Error dot error dot. See this
Position
one here.
unavailable.
Position
Position
unavailable.
unavailable.
Position unavailable here. Next one is the position unavailable here. Next one is the and here itself we need to break the break statement here. What are the break statement is there? The break statement we need to place here. Next one. Guys, so try to say this one here. What is the another thing we need to place?
Case dot error.
What is the another thing we need
Dot
to place
timeout.
here? Case error dot what you wanted to place here?
Timeout.
Case timeout here. Next one, guys. Here itself, can I place the break statement now? Let me place the break statement.
Break.
Guys, case equal to error dot
Unknown
error
error.
yeah, see this
Unknown
one here.
error.
Unknown error na sure na?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Current position.
Unknown error.
Get current position.
No. One more case is there.
UN.
Unknown error. Unknown error, sir.
Unknown error na? Here itself we have the one more thing here. Unknown error here. Unknown error. Next one is the we should be in a position. We need to take the break here. And here itself we need to place the break here. Shankar, how to get the reference of that article? This is the way to get the reference of that article na. Yes,
Sir.
equal to what you wanted to plus care, equal to what you wanted to plus care, equal to we should be in a
Permission
position
denied.
we needed to place the we should be in a position we needed to place the permission denied care. Here itself we needed to go for the permission denied we needed to place. Next one guys, see this one. Can I copy this information?
Yes, yes.
Can I
Yes,
copy
sir.
this information? Let me copy this information, then we will place it here. Next one, say this one here, position position unavailable here. Next one is the position unavailable something we need to place. Guys, can I place it here? Can I
Yes.
place it here? Next one is the what you wanted to place here. Timed out now. Timed out now. Say this one and here itself we need to place the and here itself we need to place the what you wanted to place here. Timeout error. And here itself we need to place the timeout error here. Next one, Shankar, what is the next one we need to place here? Unknown error. Unknown error in the sense, Shankar.
Yes, sir.
Saurav, unknown error in the sense.
Unknown error.
Never say unknown
Error
error.
is
Something here. Network error na.
Yes, yes.
Can I place some network error here? Whatever the network error is there, that network error we need to place here. Fine. Guys, where you are feeling tough, guys, to understand this code, where you are feeling the tough here? Anyone guys? Non-IT people also, guys, non-IT people also try to respond here. So guys, see this one again. Position is success object now.
Yes, sir.
Position is success object. In this success object, one more child object is there. What is that object? Codes.
Okay.
In that codes, we have the one key. Which key we have here? Latitude. Guys, what is position? Position is the success object. Position is the success object here. Guys, in that success object, what is the child object? What is the child object? Codes. Next one. See this one here. And one more point is the we should be in a position we need to go for the longitude also. Here itself what we have here, longitude here. So guys, error is what? Error is the error object now.
Yes, sir.
Error object. In that error object, what is the child object? What is the child object? Code. And in that code, in that error, how many constants we have?
4.
Permission denied, permission unavailable, position unavailable, timeout, unknown error. This kind of objects are there. Guys, see the technical terminology, guys. Let me explain the technical terminology once again. We people need to explain the technical terminology, guys. Guys, don't repeat it again. Let me explain first of all. Navigator is predefined object. Geolocation is predefined object. Get current position is predefined function. Function 1 is user defined function. Function 1 is user defined function. Position is successful object. Position is what? Successful object. Chords is sub object of child object of position object here. Say this one here. Function 2 is what? User defined function. Yeah, function 2 is user defined function. Next one, see this one here. Error is error object. Error object contain one more object. Which object? Code object. This error contain 4 constants. What is the first constant? Permission denied, position unavailable, timeout, unknown error. So guys, can I execute this code here? Try to execute the code here. We should be in a position we need to execute the code here. See this one here. Show location. What happened here? No, na? We are not getting now, guys. Are we getting now?
Sir, can we import the locations in the folder node npm install, right?
Yes, guys. So what is the message we are getting?
Yes.
Oh, know your location.
Know your location. Know your location. Can I click the yellow here? Yeah.
Hello.
Guys, this is the latitude now.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is the latitude. Next one, this is the what? Longitude. The first one is the latitude here. The second one is the what's the second one? Second one is the longitude here. Fine. Guys, let me execute it once again. We need to execute once again. Here itself. What is the folder we have, guys? We have one folder, location API. Location API. Guys, under the location API. Guys, under the location API, can I click the show location?
Yes.
Guys, whenever we click the show location here, automatically we are getting the latitude value. Next one is the longitude value. Guys, next application is, what is the next application? Next application is whenever we click the show location, I need to open a Google map. You know the Google map na?
Yes.
I need to open Google map. In that Google map, I wanted to mark this location.
Okay. Sir, it's automatically mark or
we need to mark it. That is the code we need to write.
okay.
So guys, at present in the today's session, what I done here in the today's session, we done here. Whenever we click the button, we're able to get a
Latitude and
latitude and
longitude.
longitude. So not only latitude and longitude, not only latitude and longitude can,
Google Map
whenever
is
you click that one here, we need to open what? We need to open Google Map here. We need to open the Google Map. In that Google Map, we need to mark what? We need to mark
Our
what?
latitude,
We need to mark
longitude,
latitude. We need to mark. Next one is the we need to mark longitude also. Fun, guys. To mark latitude and longitude, we need to generate some Google API key. We need to generate what? We need to
Google
generate
API.
Google API key, guys. I think my account is expired, guys, because that Google API key creation known by the Android developers, guys, mobile application developers, adana, that people they know that one here because my account is expired here. My account is expired here. See this one here. Here itself, you need to go through the see this one here. Google Maps API key. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
This API key. So you need to go to this website, guys. You need to go to this website here. You need to register yourself. Coming to yourself, you need to register yourself here.
Under the sign up.
Once, under the sign up something, guys. Once if you register here, automatically one API key will be generated. Which key will be generated? API key will be generated here. So through that API key only we can open the Google Map. Otherwise, we can't open the Google Map here. Fun. Listen here, guys. So what is the point I'm saying here, guys? To open
by this API, we can create the GUI,
everything we can create, but we need one account, guys. Map account we need here, but give me the time to verify that account because we need have some Play Store account. Something it is asking Google Play Store account. A lot of nonsense it is asking here. Already I generated that key in the while taking the Android classes, but 1 second I will tell you.
Okay.
Guys, whenever you click the show location, you people need to open the Google Map now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you people need to open the Google Map, guys.
Yes,
To open Google Map, you people should have like Play Store. In the Android we have the Play Store now.
Yes.
Yeah, Play Store account we should have here. We have the Play Store account or something we have here. Through this Play Store account only, we need to generate some keys. Here. So through this keys only, we need to open what? Through this keys only, we need to open the Google Map. Okay, na? So next one, not only that one, guys. Next application, I will tell it, guys. I will mark 2 points here. This is the point 1. Next one, this is the point 2. Guys, I want to find the distance between these 2 locations. This is the location 1 na. Talk with me, guys. This is the location 1 na.
Yes,
This
sir.
is the location 1. Next one, this is the location 2 na. This is the location 2. So guys, between these 2 locations, I wanted to calculate the kilometers also. Then what is the distance between Amirpet and SR or something? I will take the 2 locations again. Through the 2 locations, I need to find the distance also. So guys, little bit some background work I need to do. Just to give me some time here to do that work here. Then I need to complete that one. Then we are happy with what? Google Maps.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na? Fine. Code is easier, but that keys generation, account creation, that is a horrible. Okay, na? Fine. Yeah, guys, in the tomorrow session, I will discuss that one, but don't close the session, guys. I think let me.
How navigator object get our latitude? It is internally defined logic.
That logic presented into
Which
geolocation.
API, okay, which API is used to get latitude?
See this one here. Whatever the internal logic is there, that internal logic present into get a current position function. Okay, na? Get a current position function insisting the browser to connect to the Google
navigator
Maps.
Object, how many
Yes,
another
sir.
object holds?
So many things are there.
Which related objects is hold?
Yeah, see this one here. See this one. So many objects are there. See this one here. We're asking like, sir, internal what happened? That is our point or not?
No, and about a navigator object. navigator object, how many types object holds, like geolocation, and they are asking us many. And geolocation, how many types methods it holds?
Not types,
Which-
methods. You were asking the API. Indirectly, you were asking the API or not?
Yeah, I mean that.
Yeah, I think Shankar, go to that Google just to verify the navigator object API. If you go through the navigator object API, then you can get the so many things again. Navigator API, you were asking navigator API, na? Navigator API. So many methods. By seeing that method, you may shock, sir, these many number of methods are there now. Yeah, see this one here. So many methods are there. Navigator connection, navigator cookie enabled, navigator credentials, navigator device memory.
Predefined object.
See this one. You may feel like around 100 plus methods are there, but don't go for that many number of things. Out of 100 methods,
for knowledge.
Just to know the
it will help us to use
exactly
further in future.
Yeah, I think Shankar, in that navigator object, we need to use the 3 to 4. First one is the distance calculation. Next one is the opening the map. Okay, na? These are two things we need to use that one. So if you need that one here, just to go for this API here, this is the official API provided.
Why we use small letter navigator, but here is it written in capital NAVI.
This is the predefined object. Na? Navigator is the predefined object.
Yeah.
Yeah, small letter will not be capital. Maybe in the website itself. Maybe
in navigator, navigator is a reference. Navigator is a variable of navigator. Yeah,
exactly. Reference of that navigator interface. Maybe there is the interface here. That interface, this is the defined object itself. So maybe some internal calculations may be there. Okay, na? Fine. Yeah, guys, please go through up to now, guys. In the tomorrow session, guys, I think I need some time, guys, to generate that key something here. So in the tomorrow session, guys, I will open the Google map here. I will find the distance here. Then I will close the Google Maps. Fine. Guys, how to commit the code? Guys, how to commit the code? Everyone, git add dot. Next one, git commit hyphen m. See this one here. Location API. Guys, how to push it?
Git push.
How to push it here? Git push. Whenever we call the git push here, automatically we're able to push the code. Okay, na? Fine. Please go through up to now, guys. In the tomorrow session, we need to see that one. Thank you, guys. Bye. Shankar, that Angular class, I think after 2 days, I will start it here. Maybe Thursday. Tomorrow, I will start our Angular class also. Fine. Yeah. Tell me.
With our UI full stack?
No, not that one. Okay. Evening batch people. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Tell me.
I'm unable to install my.
Rupan Das.
Sir, I'm unable to install my WebSocket library, sir.
What is the error you are getting here?
Sir, please let me share the screen. I will show you.
Yeah, once again, I think your OS is the Windows or Mac OS.
Sir, Windows OS.
Window in the sense, no issue. Sure, guys, try to identify the error, guys. Rupan getting one error here. Try to identify that error. Share your screen. Rupan, share your screen. Guys, identify the error with the Rupan system.
Yes, sir.
Rupan, what happened? We are unable to see.
Please, Rupan, share your screen.
Rupan, you need to share the screen.
Make your private, sir.
Rupan, please stop the screen sharing. Share the screen once again. Yes. Yes, so you shared another thing, Rupan. Instead of desktop, you shared some other thing.
It's networking issue, sir.
No, not network. But his internet is good here. But instead of screen share, he shared the Blackboard or something he shared. Rupan, try to share it once again.
Sir, how to show the screen? So how to share the screen?
Please click the share. Please click the share.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Then share desktop or share screen.
Share screen.
Apart from the share screen, don't share any other thing.
Is it visible
Yes,
now?
yes. Now it's visible. I think, guys, don't tell the answers, guys. I will ask the questions here. Tell me here, guys. He is getting, what is the error he is getting here? NPM is not recognized. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Guys, npm present into which software?
Node.js.
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 Rupan, my direct question to you, did you install Node.js?
No,
No.
sir.
But without install Node.js, how it's possible? First of all, install the
I
Node.js.
don't know that. Okay,
Okay,
okay.
na?
I have
Okay,
to
that is
install
the error.
Node
That is the
before
You
error.
can test it the node minus v for the
Then
version.
you can get the, yes, it is one node space, node
Minus
space. No, don't add the plugin. No, plugins are the different here. Node.js software is different.
Okay,
The plugin
sir.
is the different.
Node
Space
space.
hyphen v hyphen hyphen
hyphen.
v. Enter. Did you install the
No.
Node.js? No.
No.
First of all, you need to install the Node.js. Minimize the Visual Studio Code. Minimize the Visual Studio Code. Open the Google itself. Open the Google. Minimize the Visual Studio Code. Fine. Rupan, install the Node.js care. Check just to take the support of Google care. Please install the Node.js. Once if you install the Node.js care, then you can use the npm. So this is not the error. Node.js you should install. Go to the nodejs.org. There itself download the Node.js. Click the next finish it. Then it will work. Later restart the Visual Studio Code also. Okay na? Fine.
Sir,
Guys,
sir, also
guys,
my
Rupam, if
browser
you
is not
face any problem,
supporting.
you can contact me. No
Shankar,
issue.
not Shankar. I will link all the students to you. Just enjoy with them.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.